Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's continue learning Amharic. This is lesson 24. Okay, so far is ruk. Far. I think we have seen this before. Far. Ruk. So try to say it is far. Ruk now. Ruk now. What about it was far? Ruk ነበር. Ruk ነበር. How would you say it was hard or it was tough? ከባድ ነበር. ከባድ ነበር. So from Addis Ababa up to Nairobi was very far. ከአዲስ አበባ እስከ ናይሮቢ በጣም ሩቅ ነበር። ከአዲስ አበባ እስከ ናይሮቢ በጣም ሩቅ ነበር። How would you say there is? አለ አለ. There is አለ. So plane is አውሮፕላን. Aeroplane is አውሮፕላን. So there is a plane now. አሁን አውሮፕላን አለ. አሁን አውሮፕላን አለ. Before it was very far. በፊት በጣም ሩቅ ነበር. በፊት በጣም ሩቅ ነበር. Now it is easy. አሁን ቀላል ነው. አሁን ቀላል ነው. Before it was 2000 kilometers. 1000 is ሺ. Before it was 2000 kilometers. በፊት 2000 ኪሎ ሜትር ነበር. በፊት 2000 ኪሎ ሜትር ነበር. Now it is 1000 kilometer. አሁን 1000 ኪሎ ሜትር ነው. አሁን 1000 ኪሎ ሜትር ነው. In the past it was hard or before it was hard. በፊት ከባድ ነበር. በፊት ከባድ ነበር. So, ቤት is house. ቤት is house. Okay, so how would you say he? እሱ. He is እሱ and she is እሷ. So how would you say his? So remember that you have to add the prefix that shows possession in Amharic, which is ye. You are going to add ye in front of he. Okay, so it's gonna be yesu. He is እሱ. His is የሱ. Okay, how would you say his house? የሱ ቤት. የሱ ቤት. It was very beautiful. በጣም ቆንጆ ነበር. በጣም ቆንጆ ነበር. His house was very beautiful or very nice. የሱ ቤት በጣም ቆንጆ ነበር. Now it is very small or it is small and little are the same in Amharic. ትንሽ. Now it is very small. አሁን በጣም ትንሽ ነው. አሁን በጣም ትንሽ ነው. The Ethiopian embassy was here. Here is እዚህ. Here is እዚህ. It was here. እዚህ ነበር. It was here. እዚህ ነበር. The Ethiopian embassy was here. የኢትዮጵያ ኤምባሲ እዚህ ነበር. የኢትዮጵያ ኤምባሲ እዚህ ነበር. his house was here. የእሱ ቤት እዚህ ነበር። የእሱ ቤት እዚህ ነበር። there is እዛ there there እዛ the Kenyan embassy was there or the Kenyan embassy was over there የኬንያ ኤምባሲ እዚያ ነበር እዚያ የኬንያ ኤምባሲ እዚያ ነበር the Ethiopian embassy was here የኢትዮጵያ ኤምባሲ እዚህ ነበር okay so here is እዚህ there እዛ እዚህ እዛ he was rich is ሀብታም ነበር or if you want to mention the subject explicitly እሱ ሀብታም ነበር okay so how would you say he is no he is no she is ነች so when we convert that to the past he was is ነበር and she was is ነበረች okay ነበረች she was very beautiful በጣም ቆንጆ ነበረች he was rich ሀብታም ነበር above or over is በላይ okay so for example to say richer than me we are going to say reach above me or reach over me okay so richer than me is ከእኔ በላይ ሀብታም okay so reach above me ከእኔ በላይ ሀብታም so try to say she is richer than me so richer than me she is ከእኔ በላይ ሀብታም ነች or if you want to mention the subject explicitly እሷ she ከእኔ በላይ ሀብታም ነች she is richer than me እሷ ከእኔ በላይ ሀብታም ነች now try to say she was richer than me or she was more rich than me ከእኔ በላይ ሀብታም ነበረች or እሷ ከእኔ በላይ ሀብታም ነበረች you can add or drop the subject እሷ it's not mandatory in Amharic because your listener can understand from the verb who the subject is so you can add or you can drop it so ከእኔ በላይ ሀብታም ነበረች or you could say እሷ ከእኔ በላይ ሀብታም ነበረች he is rich ሀብታም ነው he is richer than me ከእኔ በላይ ሀብታም ነው he was richer than me ከእኔ በላይ ሀብታም ነበር I am richer than him or above him ከሱ በላይ okay above him ከሱ በላይ I am richer than him or I am richer above him ከሱ በላይ ሀብታም ነኝ I am richer than her ከእሷ በላይ ሀብታም ነኝ